Okay guys, your device ran into the problems, and if you guys are getting the error like this, that your unit needs to be restarted, and error code is like something like IRQL. It is not less or equal. So IRQL not less or equal. And device needs to be started, ran into the problem. So number of solutions in this tutorial. One, the either solutions will definitely help you. And if it really helps you, you're going to share this video with your friends and family. Go to source and type update. Here you have check for updates. Click on it, or you're going to type check for updates straightly. So when you type check for updates, you're going to see this window. What you're going to do is you can download and install the updates, or you can just check for the updates. It will check for all the necessary updates. Finally, you can see it is downloading and installing, and then after you can restart your PC. Do not forget to restart for the changes to take effect. So this will fix your issue. It's you can see this one is completed manually. Just download and install. If any options over here, it is manually to download and install. You have to download and install manually, and restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So this should fix your issue. Okay guys, you're going to type the command sfc space / scan now. It needs to be together, and press enter key. So it will take some time. Let it to complete 100% and you're all done. Okay guys, you can sit down with the 100%. Now just exit it. Okay, let me exit it and press enter again. Finally, you just give a restart to your PC and check if it fixes your issue. Okay guys, you're gonna run this command without any spelling mistake. So you can even run this command from advanced mode. Currently you can see it is in a administrator command prompt. So you can run this command even from X drive in advanced mode if you cannot turn on your PC. Access the command prompt from advanced mode, and then you can run this command. Press enter key. You can see so everything is okay, and here it is. Its boot code was successfully updated on all targeted volume. Okay guys, this is another command you're gonna run. You can run this command also from advanced mode if you cannot turn on your PC. Press enter key. So guys, I got error 87. So some spelling mistakes. There's no okay. Some spelling mistake. So in case of restore, I have a scan health, and everything is okay. I just put the space in between, and then I'm gonna press enter key. Now you can see it's working. So you're going to use this command instead of first one. First one really do not work. So it's just gonna take some time and it will be done. So you can run this command from advanced mode also. If you cannot log in into your PC, so if you have a loop problem, you can run it from advanced mode. It's X drive. Just give some time and it will be done. So if you do not proceed ahead, just hit enter key and it will start working. So you can it's done with it 39.41%. So you can see 100%. The operation completed successfully. Now you're going to exit it, and then I have to give one restart to your computer, and then I have to check if the issue is fixed. Okay guys, hold the Windows key and R in your keyboard. It will open this round dialog box. You're going to type the command. It's mdsched.exe. So this is the command that you're going to type. It's mdsched.exe and then click on OK. It will come up with another box. It's a dialog box. Windows memory diagnostic. So we're going to diagnose the memory. So you can restart now and check for the problems. Even you have a second option if you would like to choose for any reason. So I'll go with the first options. Restart now and check for the problems. So it will restart your PC and start checking. So it is diagnostic tool for memory. So wait till it's get completed. You can see guys, done with one. Now it's 2 of 2. So 50% is done. Now 50% test is remaining. Okay guys, you can see finally done. Once it is done, it will restart your computer. So I have this fixed issue.
So how do you install the Windows 11 using a bootable USB flash drive? So at first you need to create a bootable USB flash drive, and then after you're going to enter the BIOS in your PC. Once you enter the BIOS, so you can check for it on Google. So different brand has a different function key. So I'm using Lenovo. Restart the PC and continuously press the F1 key, help you enter the BIOS. You're gonna choose the boot system boot capability as a UEFI. If it is a legacy, you're gonna choose UEFI. If it is already UEFI, you don't have to do anything. Next thing, it's a boot priority. Somewhere in this BIOS setting also, you'll see the boot priority. The first boot device, you can choose it as a USB bootable drive. So for my PC, it's a F12 key in order to enter into the boot menu option. So different PC has a different function. Some PC uses to restart it and press the escape key continuously. You can enter the boot menu. So in some PC, here over in the somewhere you're going to see in the different tab, different PC has a different arrangement. In advanced or somewhere, you're going to see the boot priority. The first boot priority you can choose as a USB flash drive. So now I'm going to save it. So in order to save, you can see it's F10 to save and exit. So whichever key help you to save and exit, you can save and exit it. Now I'm going to press the F12 key. So for this PC, F12 key seriously works. So I forgot to insert the bootable USB flash drive. So do not do this mistake. Insert your bootable USB flash drive. So it's not detecting. So I should have inserted it in the beginning itself. So I'm going to escape it. And again, I'm going to press the F12 key. So I'll have to restart the PC again. So I'm restarting the PC again and pressing the F12 key. I can see now it is recognizing. I'm going to boot it from my USB bootable pen drive. I can see setup is starting, so it might take some time. You're going to see this. You can choose the language and all. Click on next and then click on install now. So setup is starting now. So if it can ask you for any kinds of license key, so you must have purchased a license key. So enter the license key, or you can just visit the Microsoft.com website and you can get the general license key and you enter the license key. So my PC supports the Pro version. So I'm just going to install the Pro version. So Windows 11 Pro. After selecting it, you're going to click on next. It's going to ask you to accept it. So you can choose any operating system with whatever license you have purchased. Since I have the licensed PC for the Pro version, I choose the Pro version. So depending upon your PC, whichever license key you have purchased, you're going to choose that. So I'm going to select any one of the drive where you would like to install. So it's 99.4 GB. I'm going to install over here in this drive. So at first I'm going to just format it. Now I'll choose the drive and then click on next. Now it is copying the file. So completing this process gonna take some time. So you can just walk around and come. So during the installation process, your PC might restart for the several times. Now just a moment. Okay, finally, here you have your Windows 11 ready.